This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon nigiri sushi using an easy method. First, prepare your sushi rice by mixing it with a seasoned vinegar solution. This solution typically contains rice vinegar, a touch of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Once mixed, allow the rice to cool down to room temperature. While the rice cools, you can begin preparing your salmon. Slice your fresh, sushi-grade salmon into thin, uniform pieces about 2 inches long. Now let's shape the nigiri. Keep a small bowl of water nearby to moisten your hands. This prevents the sticky rice from adhering to your fingers. Take about 1 ounce of rice and gently form it into an oval-shaped mound. The goal is a compact, yet not overly dense base. Next, take one of your prepared salmon slices and carefully place it on top of the rice mound, pressing lightly to secure it. Repeat this process for all your nigiri. To enhance the flavor, you can add a tiny dab of wasabi directly onto the rice before placing the salmon. This adds a subtle kick. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, consider garnishing your nigiri. A thin slice of green onion or a few salmon roe pearls can make a wonderful addition. Serve your freshly made salmon nigiri immediately with a side of soy sauce for dipping and some pickled ginger to cleanse the palate between bites. Enjoy your homemade sushi. For the best results, always prioritize very fresh, high-quality sushi-grade salmon. This is crucial for both taste and safety. When shaping the rice, try to avoid overhandling it, as this can compress the grains too much and affect the texture. A light touch is key for fluffy, delicious nigiri. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy sushi making!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.